Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to change name on WhatsApp. Maybe you have recently got married or you just want to use a different name on WhatsApp. So today I'm going to show you how to change name on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your WhatsApp application and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, tap on this three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. From this menu, tap on Settings. In the Settings page, select on your profile. Here, you will now see your current name displayed. Now, to change it, simply tap on your current name. A text field will appear, allowing you to edit your name. First, delete your current name, and after that, you can now enter your desired new name. Once you have entered your new name, tap on the Save option to confirm the changes. After that, you now have successfully changed your name on WhatsApp. Now, your contacts will see your new name whenever they interact with you on the app. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change name on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to change name on WhatsApp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.